It was Saturday morning. The sun was bright. I opened my eyes and smiled. I had a wonderful idea. A perfect idea for breakfast. My girlfriend, Gracie, was still asleep. Our friends, Liam and Mia, were coming to our house this morning. I wanted to make a special surprise for them. I went quietly to my workshop. I decided to make pancakes. But these were not normal pancakes. I was going to use my new invention, the Super Pancake 5000. It was a big, shiny machine. I was very proud of it. The machine could mix everything, the flour, the eggs, and the milk. Then it cooked the pancakes and flipped them perfectly onto a plate. It was a fantastic idea. Soon, I heard the doorbell. Liam and Mia were here. Gracie woke up and came downstairs. Buddy, our happy dog, wagged his tail. Everyone came into the kitchen. "Good morning, Tom. What is that big machine?" Mia asked. "This," I said with a big smile, "is the Super Pancake 5000. Get ready for the best breakfast ever." I pushed the big green button. The machine started. It made a loud noise. Whirr, clank, sizzle. The first pancake came out. It was perfect. It landed right on the plate. The second pancake was perfect too. "Wow, Tom," Liam said. I felt very happy. But then the machine started to shake. Whirr! Clank, clank, clank! Sizzle! The machine was too fast. Flip! A pancake flew high into the air. It landed on my red baseball cap. Flip! Another pancake hit the wall. Flip! 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 Soon, pancakes were everywhere. There was a pancake on the ceiling. There were pancakes on the floor. There was a pancake on Gracie's notebook. Buddy was so excited, he ran around the kitchen trying to catch the flying pancakes. He ate one from the floor and wagged his tail for more. Woof, woof. I looked at my friends. Gracie was laughing. Liam was laughing. Mia was laughing very loudly. "Tom," Gracie said with a big smile, "this is a very interesting breakfast." My face was hot and red. There was a little piece of pancake on my glasses. "Oh no," I said. "My idea was not good." "It was not good, Tom. It was very, very funny," Mia said. We all started to clean the kitchen together. Liam cleaned the pancake from the wall. Mia cleaned the floor. Gracie took the pancake off my cap and cleaned my glasses. We worked together, and soon the kitchen was clean again. We were all very hungry. Gracie opened the refrigerator and took out eggs and bread. We made simple toast with eggs. We all sat at the clean kitchen table. We ate our simple breakfast. The toast was warm and the eggs were delicious. And best of all, there were no more pancakes on the ceiling. It was a perfect Saturday morning.